I'm just gonna put a little bit of chopped parsley over this. So welcome back to another salad Sunday. Today we've got halloumi, zucchini and eggplant salad. Really, really beautiful. Okay, so we're just gonna get these eggplants done, or aubergine or brinjal, whatever you call them. I've got a frying pan there. I've got some oil in it, and I've cut the eggplant fairly, it's quite thick that. Now, be careful with the oil. I mean, that's quite a bit of oil. But if you filled that with oil, these things will soak it up. So you can just keep adding and adding oil if you want. But yeah, you don't really want to be doing that. So here we go. What we're going to do is I'm just going to add some salt. You can add pepper if you want, but I'm just going with salt with these ones. When I flip them over, which we're going to do a few times, I'll add a bit more salt to the other side. Medium heat, they're going to be about 4 minutes aside. Okay, so they're done, these ones. Out they come. And then what I'm going to do is I've got a couple more pieces of the eggplant, aubergine or brinjal, whatever you call that. And I've got some zucchini, courgette or kusa. Again, how many names for these things? So, a couple more bits of the eggplant. Then I've got some thick cut, fairly thick again. Beautiful stuff. Little bit of salt, and again going to salt it when I flip them over. Okay, so we'll get our halloumi together now. So, tiny amount of oil in there. I mean, basically that's the same pan. I drained it out, so there's hardly anything in there, just a little tiny bit. You can do it without any. Here's our halloumi, which I've cut. You can see fairly thick. We're going to drop that in medium heat. It's just going to be like 3 minutes aside. Beautiful stuff. Easy. Okay, off goes the heat. It's going to get a bit of colour on it. You can make it darker than that if you want. For me, that's good. Let's fetch that out and move on. Okay, so all the hard work has been done. We're just going to get it together now. So I've got a plate there, some lettuce on there, and we're going to start by grabbing our eggplant. I'll just pop that on. And then we're going to add the zucchini or the courgette, whatever you want to call that. Then I've got some sliced tomato, our halloumi, a few black olives or green if you like. And then we're going to make a small amount of dressing. So in that bowl, I've got some vinegar. I've got like 2 tablespoons of a white vinegar. You could be using lemon juice if you want. To that, we're going to add some black pepper. I'm not adding salt because that halloumi is very salty. And also, we added salt to the vegetables when we fried them, but go for it if you want. Little bit of dried oregano, or oregano as many of you call it. And then some nice extra virgin olive oil. We want kind of twice as much as the vinegar or the lemon juice. Little mix, pour it over, job done. You could be adding a little bit of garlic in this as well if you want, but I'm not going for it today. That is a really simple, beautiful little salad. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much for stopping by and making it to the end of the videos. If you would like to donate to me, there's a thanks button in most countries. You can give me $2 or up to $50. I need to buy a new Ferrari. Come on, help me out.